Welcome back to Bloom. As we age, many often notice fat deposits and puffiness below the eyes. Well, believe it or not, these fat deposits can often be dissolved to restore a more youthful, firmer under eye in as little as a day. It's hard to believe. Joining us to discuss is Dr. Ann Herman of Herman Wellness. Welcome, Dr. Herman.
Hey, it's nice to be here, Gail. Thank you.
Absolutely. And I understand, in addition to your cutting-edge safety protocols, that you have been recognized as one of the best aesthetic doctors in the country. Congratulations on that. And what do your patients love about your work?
Patients really love that we pay attention to detail. When a patient comes to me and they tell me what they're looking for, I will do everything I can to address that issue and be honest about results and realistic outcomes. I think that's huge when you're dealing with aesthetic procedures.
So today we wanted to talk about the fat deposits and bags that can form under our eyes. Why do so many people get these as we age?
So yes, I mean, there's many things that happen around the eyes. We do lose some superficial fat around the eye, which does cause skin laxity or the skin to look bunched or saggy. Sometimes we also have several fat pads around the eye. We have one here and then one right underneath. And sometimes some of those fat pads can get edematous, which means hold fluid. So there are some tricks we can do to help get fluid out of those pads with injections without having to do full-on blepharoplasty or eye surgery. And so I think what we're talking about today is hyaluronidase. I have a patient who came to me sort of complaining of some extra sort of puffiness in this area and a little bit almost under his eye. And it appeared to me to be the edematous fat pad. And so we did an injection of hyaluronidase, which is a solution that actually does dissolve hyaluronic acid, which is what certain fillers are made of, and also our collagen is made of. So we must be very careful with this. But sometimes just in very, very small amounts, we can achieve a volume reduction that makes the eye look more youthful and less tired.
Yeah, we have some before and after pictures, and it is amazing because you would think with an issue like that you would have to go into surgery, but with very delicate, skilled hands like yours doing these injections, you actually can dissolve that fat. It's incredible.
Yes. So a lot of times I will evaluate the person. I mean, if I really think it's just something we cannot take care of with an injection, I'll let them know. If it's something we want to try with the injection, it's a insulin syringe, a very, very small needle, and we often will do the injections a couple times because I would rather reduce the volume slowly than over reduce, all at once. And often we can achieve, just people are very happy with it.
Yeah,
this is something. Oh, sorry.
No, go ahead.
In my practice, I do sometimes see people who come to me from other practices who also maybe have had too much filler under the eye, and this is a way to correct that.
That is really good to know. That's great to know. So we have a special offer. You can call today, mention the keyword Bloom to receive a free consultation and a 25% discount on your under eye treatment. In St. Petersburg, the number to call is 727-278-3992. In Tampa, you can call 813-902-9559. This offer may not be combined with any other promotions, but it's a great deal, and it will only last until October 31st, so you don't want to wait to get in on this special Bloom offer. Thank you so much, Dr. Herman.
Thank you for having me, Gail. It's always a pleasure.
All right, we'll be back with more Bloom right after this.